Today, I thought I'd show you a little science experiment using a fine liner, like this one. I'm also going to be using a roll of dunny paper for this science experiment too. And a keyboard? Ugh, I don't really think I need this for my science experiment. That's better. So, first of all, I'm going to start by drawing or writing something on this piece of dunny paper like this. Please be very careful not to rip it. And then there you have it. I have now wrote something down on the dunny paper. Yeah, I know, my spelling is horrible, and the writing isn't all that good either. Finally, we are now going to add some water, and we're going to tip some water all over the writing that we just wrote. Now obviously the whole thing is sopping wet, but if you look really closely you'll see that loads of different colours will start to form, like purple, blue and green. All the ink is changing colours, in other words. I was going to leave this one to dry, but it ended up disintegrating totally. So I decided what would happen if I used a regular A4 piece of paper to do this experiment with. So obviously I did the same as before. I wrote down some words, and yes, I know the spelling is terrible on this, but I suppose it was because it was rushed. And after pouring the water over it, this was my result. The words haven't all collapsed and gone all mucky like last time, and it has colour changed, but it's really just become a blue colour. There's no really much purple or green in it. As always, I'd like to thank you for watching.